Y'all, I'm cracking up. Not really. I thought I was done filming for the day, and I went out and checked my mail, and look what showed up. So we are gonna do a first impressions Boxycharm unboxing. Please hold, I gotta get my thumbnail because I'm never prepared. I just kind of sit down and wing it, just like I do in life. Okay, hold on. Okay, thumbnail of roller coaster emotion. So if you are new here, welcome. Hey, hello. This is a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone. We always keep it cute or put it on mute. My name's Rhonda, and I'm a little all over the place. Left, right, center, here, there, everywhere. You just never know what you're gonna get over here. Gemini, ADHD, first word of the channel is hot mess. I definitely feel like I need to stress that because you just never know how this video is gonna go. So this is actually my Boxycharm base box. This is not my paid for base box, so that means I will be back to unbox my paid for with you all later. Now whatever is in this box, I'll be coming back and doing a try on for you all as well. So the base box is running around $30, $32 maybe with tax in Kentucky. With Boxycharm base box, you do typically customize one item in the box. Now because this was set in PR, I did not get to customize. I get what I get and I don't throw a fit because that would be ridiculous. So the first item in here, the first thing on top here is the Boxycharm card, and it does have a little theme on here, and it says it's giving giftable glam. On the other side is all of the products that are in the box. So let's go ahead. Oh, let's start off with the first item in here, and this is the Ofra Cosmetics Midi Palette Face It. Does it say Face It? Yes. Oh, yay. It's a medium 2, which was the one that I used. So this is what it looks like. I actually already own this one, and you guys know, I mean, I did a collaboration with Ofra Cosmetics where I got to curate my own palette with them, which by the way, thank you all, it's still available, so that must be a good sign. So if you are interested in picking up the Ofra palette or the lip duo, definitely make sure to check it down below for you all, but I'll have it linked. I love their product. This is a bronzer, contour, and a highlighter, absolutely perfect. And because this was a choice, I know it comes in light, medium, and deep, so you would have chosen which one worked best for you. Now, a little information about this. This does have a $35 retail value, and it says bring the vacay to you with a curated complexion trio to sculpt, warm, and highlight. The palette does feature blendable matte contours, soft shimmer bronzer, and perfectly coordinated light, medium, and deep skin tones. So absolutely perfect. You would have chosen yours. So I'm excited that I got this because in my paid for, I chose something completely different. All right, next in here we have the, oh man, I thought it was Fenty. you fooled me. It's the Reframing Bella and Argent. This is an Ipsy brand. I mean, it's not an Ipsy brand, but it's a brand we see a lot in Ipsy. This is a $19 brow gel. Is it clear? Okay. It's clear. I do use a clear brow gel, but then I go over it with my Blink Brow Mousse in taupe. If you all are looking to fake some full brows, I highly recommend the Ofra Don't Play brow gel to really get these puppies up, and then go in with the Blink Brow Mousse. I'll have a 20% off coupon link down below for y'all. It saves you automatically 20%. That stuff is freaking amazing. It lasts all day and it's like waterproof. A little information about this, $19 retail value, and it says it'll shape your brows, and it does have jojoba infused brow gel that's long lasting and flexible with a clean formula that feels comfortable throughout the day. Oh, well, I mean, that does sound nice, so that's good. Oh, all I had to do was read. Clear brow gel. Wow, girl. All right, next in here we have Lip Slick Fruit Lip Oil, and this is from Sophia and Mabel, and it's a $22 retail value, and it says this lip oil will give you soft, glossy lips with no tackiness. Well, I'll be the judge of that, because luckily mine has worn off. So let's just see, what color is it? Oh, ooh, I love that color. Let's see if it's got like opacity to it. It has a little bit of a scent. Okay. I think it might have a hint, like a hint of a tint. If there's a scent, but it's a super faint scent. Oh, I thought it was the color of my shirt. Alright, I like. Hey kiddo.
Hi Mama.
Did you have a good day at school?
Yes.
It says,
Yes. Yes.
That's good. It says yuzu. Maybe that's the shade. We can go in a minute. I just got 2 more things to show.
Oh my god, I forgot we were gonna get gas.
Well, do you still want to?
Yeah, I need gas.
All right, next in here, we have that brand that I couldn't pronounce, Amina. It's the lip scrub. And I told you all in one of the sneak peeks that I thought it was Truly Beauty. But this is a lip scrub. Oh, that's okay. It smells so, oh my gosh, this is dangerous. I want so bad to right in there, but I'm not gonna. Ooh, it does have a nice little grit to it. I like that. I'm excited. It smells like yummy candy, like a soft yummy candy scent. Oh, I just feel bad to do that. And I know if Haley was sitting here, she'd be like, Mom, stop that. I know. Okay, sorry. All right, so let's talk right quick about this. This is child.
I'm hungry, I'm sorry.
All right, so this, are you done?
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, so this has a retail value of $18. It says, looking to have juicy and smooth lips, this lip scrub is just for you. It's made with organic and all natural lip safe ingredients. It tastes good. Okay, all right, so like probably don't do that, but I just had to test it for y'all. I mean, that is kind of my job. So anywho, it smells like a freshly baked macaroon. So see, that's why I'm a sucker for sweetness. All right, so it says, and guess what, you can lick it off because it's made of real sugar. So see, wait, your hands are clean, right? Okay.
It smells minty.
No, it doesn't.
It smells raspberry.
Yeah, it's definitely not minty.
I want to like bite it.
Yeah. You want a little bit of it?
No, I'm good.
All right.
My donut.
Okay, eat your donut. But isn't it so pretty? I just love that. Okay, that makes me so happy. And then, oh, okay. Whoa. Last in here, we've got the Soleil, or however you say it, Heat Brush in Apricot. This has a retail value of $150. I don't know. Now, I know this was something we had seen a long time ago in a Luxe box, so that doesn't bother me if it like trickles down to the base. I don't know. Honestly, I never tried it. I think I gave it away to maybe Haley or somebody. Maybe it was in a giveaway, but this is what it looks like. Now, here's the thing. I actually do use these kind of products, only I need a bigger one, I feel like, for all of my hair. If y'all have used it, let me know. But I want to say this was actually a choice a long time ago in a Luxe box. So this will just go into a giveaway, to be honest with you all, because I have the one, I think it's by FHI or something, and I really like it. I don't need another one. Can I get it back in the bio? All right, so a little information about this. It does say that this tool is perfect for on-the-go styling and touch-ups. It's powerful and easy to use as a full-size tool. Oh, but compact enough to carry with you on, you know, this would probably be really good if you travel a lot kind of thing. If I was still a flight attendant, I'd probably be super excited about that. So anywho, that is everything in this PR box variation. Let me go ahead and tally the total up for you all so you all know how much this box is saying it's worth. Now, I'll be honest with y'all, I don't feel like this is worth $150. Just saying. All right, so grand total of everything in this box did come to $244. And even if I knocked off this thing, it still came in at $94. And to me, I mean, the box is around $30-some. So, I mean, the choice item alone, in my opinion, paid for it, because this is like a $35 item. but I'm actually, the two things that I whined about before, I'm actually happy about. I like this lip oil. I like the way it feels on my lips. It's not a very oily, like I don't like that dry oil kind of feel. You know what I mean? And this, I mean, y'all saw. So anyways, let me know y'all's thoughts down below. I mean, in all honesty, 2 out of the 5 items I'm not gonna use, but the other 3 I definitely will. Okay, I'm hopping off. I'm getting sidetracked. My youngin's home, so they just got back home from school. So I will catch you all in the next video. We will have a try-on of incorporating some of these things, so definitely stay tuned for that. Don't forget to check me out on my other channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs, for plus size cover girl fashion hauls over there. Of course, I'm on TikTok and Instagram at hotmessmomma04. And huge shout out and thank you to my YouTube members. You don't have to help support this channel, but you do choose to, and I appreciate you all. So thank you all so much. If you're interested in signing up for part of the YouTube membership program, check my description box down below. And until next time, friends, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye. So hard to breathe.